Hello everyone. I hope so you are enjoying the lecture series of mathematics, and today we are going to be talk about here exercise number 3.4. In our previous video we just discussed some important question of this mathematics exercise number 3.3, but today we are going to discuss about the 3.4. If you like the content as well as the explanation whatever given by me, please like and subscribe and share this video to your friends and others. Okay, so let's start here. What are the topics we are going to be cover here? First of all, we have to be understood. So topics we are going to be cover here exercise number 3.4, and the target of this exercise number 3.4 is find roots and zeros by using factorization method. We have to find out roots and zeros. See, zeros and roots both are similar. There will be no difference about the roots and zeros. So first question we are going to discuss here. Check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. The following equations are quadratic or not. So for this you have to be know one important thing. This is the standard form of polynomial. So standard form of polynomial is polynomial. Okay, standard form of polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If after solving this situation or this condition, if you will find out the maximum power is 2, maximum power of this variable is 2, then you can say that that is your polynomial. That is your polynomial. I hope so you understood. Again, I'll repeat this statement. If the power of the variable will be 2, maximum power will be 2, not more than 2, okay, not less than 2. Maximum power we want 2, then we can say that it is standard polynomial. So let's start here to solve this question number 3rd. I have taken of the first question of exercise number 3.4. So let's start here. Question x square plus 3x plus 1. So a minus b whole square formula we are going to be apply here. So formula of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is very easy to understand this particular topic. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b ka whole square, the formula is a square, that means x square plus 4 minus 2 into x, x square plus 3x plus 1, x square minus 2 into 2, 4x plus 4. So x square to x square, it is going to be cancelled. Remaining is 3x minus 4x will become here 4x plus 1 minus 4 is equals to 0. 7x, this is minus 3 is equals to 0. See, this is the power is 1, and I told you we want power maximum is 2 and minimum will be 2 also. We want 2 power of the variable. So this is not a quadratic. Okay, this is not a quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. Why this is not a quadratic equation? Because the power is not 2. Quadratic meaning the power is 2. We are going to be talking here. The power is 2. This is most important condition. Now we are talking about the next question number 2nd. So hopefully you understood this simple calculation, and this type of question basically not asked in the RBSc pattern and CBSE pattern. So now we are talking about the solve the following by factorization method. This is important question. This type of questions, generally the board patterns, they are asking this type of questions. So I have taken some of the most important question. In that particular question we are facing many difficulties. Okay, so solve the following by factorization method. So how can we start here? First you try to understand this is x square power, here x to the power 1, so this is the quadratic polynomial. 4x square minus 4a square x, I have taken a to the power 4 and b to the power 4, I just keep remain aside. So here you can see that we got some fixed pattern here. If you are going to be change this 4x in terms of 2x to the power 2, and you are going to change it to a into ax, and this is a to power 2 to the power 2. Okay, you can also write down here like 2 into a square into x, and minus b to the power 4 is equal to 0. So this is very easy. Now 2x to the power 2 minus 2 into a square into x plus a square to the power 2 minus b square. So what type of formula we are getting here? This is the formula: a square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to a minus b ka whole square. A minus b ka whole square. So let's convert this format into this format. So you can say this is 2x minus a to the power 2, and this is whole square. So this total term is going to be changed in this term, because this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2x minus a square whole square, and remaining is minus b to the power 2, and power 2 we are going to be converted. Whatever I wrote here, p in terms of b to the power 2 and power 2, 2 into 2 4, it will come back. Why I change this? Because another formula we got it: a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. So this is easy to solve. 2x minus a square. Okay, so this is whole, I'm going to be change it: 2x minus a square plus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. Another is 2x square. So this is minus a square minus b square. Okay, so two situations we got it here, and is equals to 0. So first of all, we are putting it: 2x minus a square plus b square is equals to 0. So 2x is equals to a square minus b square. Okay, so x is equals to, this is a square minus b square divided by 2. So first 0, or you can say that roots we got it here. Another is 2x square minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. So the whole minus minus will become in positive. So 2. Okay, this is very easy. This is not an x square, this is x only. Okay, so it is a square plus b square. So x is equals to a square plus b square divided by 2. So 2 zeros we got it here. This is very easy. What I did it here, my brain is just telling me this is a square, by means some particular remaining is a to the power will be come with this mathematical term. So I have taken this mathematical term, proceed with it. You can convert this format because it is look like this: 2x whole square, a square, a square. Okay, so it will convert in the form of a minus b whole square. After applying this particular format, convert into the short format, we got it: 2x minus a square whole square minus b square to the power 2. I converted because another formula in my brain, it is created: a square minus b square, it is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So after this, applying this formula, two things I got it: 2x minus a square plus b square, 2x minus a square minus b square. So after solving this, we got it: the value of the x is equals to a square minus b square upon 2, and x is equal to a square plus b square by 2. So 2 zeros we got it. This is very easy, and this type of questions you can do it after doing the practice. Okay, without practice you can't do anything in a maths. So practice is the most important thing here. Now we are talking about the last question of today, exercise number 3.4. So what we have to do here in the question number 11, second question, 11th part: abx square plus b square minus ac into x minus bc is equal to 0, and we have to find out roots by using factorization method. So abx square b square x minus acx and minus bc is equal to 0. We got it 2 pair. So what is a common here? You can see that bx is a common. So bx I have taken common here. So this is bx and this is plus and it is b. And now you can say that here is the common is c, minus c I have taken common, ax plus b is equals to 0. So separately the whole common is here ax plus b is a common, so bx minus c is equal to 0. So from here is equal to 0, two terms I got it. So separately ax plus b is equals to 0 and separately bx minus c is equals to 0. So bx is equal to c, negative will become the right hand side, becomes positive, x is equals to c by b, and ax is equals to minus b and x is equals to minus b by a. So you got it, two roots of this particular question and also this question. If any other question you want to just solve from your desire, you can comment in the section, sir, solve this question. I can solve it and I will give the solution. So I hope so you understood this. Mathematics exercise number 3.4 is over today. In next video we are talking about exercise number 3.5. I hope so you understood all this explanation whatever given by me. Thank you so much.